Hey yo.
Playas, what it do? My name is Kesey and welcome back to my channel. Hey y'all. So I'm excited for this video today because the last video I did on like a microphone, you know, it did pretty good in my book, and like people are still writing me about that microphone. So I bought a new one. So this video I'm just gonna show y'all like how this works, and I really waited to open this up or whatever. Okay, so I did get this off of Amazon and I'm gonna link it below. When I first got this, I was kind of nervous because I ordered the purple one, right? Like, y'all know lavender is my favorite color, but it does have the little star by it to show that it's the correct one. But because, you know, I don't know. But let's open this up. I literally waited for this vlog to like open this up. Oh Lord. So this is what it's giving. That is at the top, little styrofoam piece. Oh, the mic. Oh, it's pretty. I hope that wasn't important. It's really pretty, guys. OMG, it's so pretty. It's so pretty. Okay. So it has USB-C and it has the headphone jack. Let me like, so y'all can see it. It has the USB-C and a headphone jack. Wow, it's so cute. It's mad pretty. Mad pretty. Apparently you can, I think that's just taking it loose. Just leave that like that. And then here's the little volume button. That's what it looks like. So let's see, how do we work this bad guy? I'm just gonna have my laptop literally right here. I know y'all can't see it, but I have my laptop right here. Oh, okay, so let's see. Let's see what's in here first, I guess. I'm so excited. It's so cute. Little manual. And then here's the cord. Oh crap, give me a moment. Okay. I haven't seen these in forever, the little clear beads. But yeah, this is the cord and it's actually USB-C. Oh yeah, so you can take this off. This is why I made it a point this time to get, you know, a microphone with USB-C, because I just didn't have time for that again. USB-C mic. Anyways though, so I'm just gonna plug this in right here. I think that's how you do that. Yeah. And then I'm just gonna plug this part into my computer. Okay, one of these has to go. I love this. Okay, let's plug that boy in there. Did y'all see that? Oh, y'all did. Oh, did y'all see that? Oh my god. What the fuck? Is it not in there? It's in there. Okay, let me look at the instructions so I can see what's going on. Yeah, you know it's in there. This is everything right here. And I bought some new headphones too. I have another video. I'll just link it so y'all can see when I got the headphones, because I actually got these a couple days ago, but it was something else that I needed, so, and that came today, so that's why it took me so long. Anyways, yeah, I got some headphones though, so I can like hear what's going on, because I also do audiobooks. That's the real reason I bought this, but you know. Okay, let's look at the manual and see what to do. Okay, so whenever I do use it, it has to be towards me like this, so it will be facing you like that, you know? Okay, it's actually a little low. I'm gonna need like something for it to stand on. Okay. So I do have to set it up on my laptop. I may have to move this so y'all can see what I'm doing. But I do have to set it up. Okay, give me a minute, y'all. We about to do this. I don't think it's plugged in. Oh, it wasn't. It's not showing up. Okay, let's see. Maybe this is wrong. No, it has to be right. Oh, it wasn't in there all the way. That's so embarrassing. Allow. This is what it's giving. Wow, this is so freaking cute, y'all. Look at this. So cute. This is pretty as fuck. Wow, that's crazy. I'm one of those type of people. If I don't get it the first time, I will literally type out the whole website. maono.com. Oh, I didn't put another W. Slow Casey. Okay, work that time. Let's see. Here. Okay, so here it is right here. We're doing this for my Mac. Download, allow. That was fast. Okay, I'm gonna assume we go here. Boom. Hey, okay, open. It's up. I think. Let's make sure. Look at these instructions some more. One thing about me, I am an instructions, like I'm gonna read all the instructions to make sure I know what the fuck I'm doing. So, okay, let's see if I can change the colors right quick. Hello. Okay, so it's picking it up already. I have it on this. Ooh, let's go purple. Ooh, that is so pretty. Y'all, that's cute. Okay, I don't like those. I like this one though. And I really like this one. And that's cute too. That one too. We're gonna go purple. Okay. So I honestly think that's pretty much it. I mean, of course, it talks about the lighting, lighting settings. Okay. I can't think. I'm gonna plug this up first, and then I'm going to, because I'm gonna listen to it in my headset just to make sure it's like really working. So that's one thing that keeps happening though. When I barely touch it, it does like come out a little bit, and that's here and here. So just make sure it's all the way in there, you know. Okay, but I'm gonna put my headset on. Through this. Okay. Let's go, you guys. Voice memo. I'm just gonna say, what am I gonna say? Hello there. Welcome back to another episode of Miss Monye's reading. What the fuck? Okay, I'm gonna listen back. Hello there. Welcome back to another episode of Miss Monye's reading. What the fuck? It sounds so crisp. Oh my god. Okay. And let me just confirm that this is the correct speaker. I feel like it is, but y'all know what happened last time when I thought the mic was working and it was really, you know, my MacBook. Fuck, where am I? I'm sorry, y'all. I am getting distracted. Okay, so it is giving mic. So that was the mic, you guys. Welcome back. That's hilarious. Okay. So this seems to be going well. I like this mic so far. Can't cap the color, how simple it was. You know, that last mic, it just took me forever to even figure out what's going on. I had to watch another YouTube video to even figure out that I wasn't gonna be able to use it. But this one, it's just, you know, it's small, but it's getting the job done. And I paid $50 for this. It was $49.99, Amazon Prime. It came, I bought this at like 2 a.m. It came the same day. It came literally the same day. But I really like this mic, y'all. It's nice. It's really nice though. I'm gonna do another video on it. I don't know if I'm really doing this justice. I really tried with the last one, but with this one, it's just, you know, we'll see. Now let's listen back, y'all. Okay. And I paid $50 for this. It was $49.99. Miss Monye's reading. What the fuck? So this seems to be going well. I like this mic so far. Can't cap the color, how simple it was. You know, that last mic, it just took me forever to even figure out what's going on. It sounds so crisp. Like, this is gonna be really good when I'm doing my audiobooks. Like, it sounds like great. I love this. I said 9 out of 10, but I can't cap. It's given 10 out of 10. Well, the only reason I would say 9 is because of how, like, it'll slip out if you just move it a little bit. You know, that might start to irritate me, especially if you know, it's new now, so, you know, shit get worn out. And if it keeps slipping like that, eventually it's gonna irritate me. But right now, it's given 10 out of 10, babe. I mean, just look at the material. You feel me? It's so pretty. It's like, it's light, but kind of heavy at the same time. Because, I mean, you know, the other one, it was plastique. But this one, you know, it's just so pretty. It's so pretty. I love it. Their little emblem on the side. I love it, though. Love it. Love it, love it. Okay, guys.
I bet you wish that I was still right there. Used to live right there.